Welcome to another Wise Maths and Science video. Now, you've been asked to simplify this expression. This can be rewritten down as something like this. You've got a square around the bracket, so therefore this could be written down as 3. Let's write it down over here. So you get 3, then 2 lots of this bracket, 2 minus m, then another 2 minus m. And then the denominator you could also consider as 2 minus m as well. And then what we'll do, we'll cancel it down. You can clearly see this is the same as this. And then what you'll do, you'll have what's the leftover. That would be 1 over there, that would be 1. You'll end up with 3 lots of this bracket, which is 2 minus m. And we clearly know that 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times minus m is minus 3m. Let's move over to part B. Over here, I would recommend we add 8 to both sides, so you get 7 plus 8 plus x is less than or equal to 5x over 2. And then what we'll do, 7 plus 8 is 15, so you get, let's simplify that, 15 plus x is less than or equal to 5x over 2. And then let's multiply each term by 2. 15 times by 2 is 30. 2 times x is plus 2x is less than or equal to 5x. And then finally what you should do, let's create a little margin over here. Let's continue with that. Take away 2x from both sides, so you're left with 30 is less than or equal to 5x minus 2x. So therefore you end up with 3x on the right hand side is greater than or equal to 30, and divide both sides by 3, so you get 30 divided by 3 is less than or equal to x. And then finally your answer, 30 divided by 3 is clearly 10, so therefore your final answer should be x is larger than or equal to 10, and that should do the trick for part B. Let's move over to part C. This is a compound inequality. Let's start by taking away 4 from both sides, so you get 9, take away 4, and in the middle term 2y plus 4, take away 4, you're left with just 2y. And then over here you get 12, take away 4, and therefore you end up with 5. And then you've got over here this compound which is 2y. Let's simplify that, you get 8. Now what you need to do is divide everything by 2. So 5 divided by 2, and divide the middle term by 2 as well, so you're left with just y. And then 8 divided by 2, which will give you 4, and that should be your final answer. Please do like, share and subscribe, as it gives me encouragement to make more videos. Thank you and goodbye.